Hello everyone. Today we are giving my Monstera a new home. Now, I'm a budget gardener, so no fancy soil mixes here. Just recycled compost, a generous splash of cow poo fertilizer, and a lot of elbow grease. Cheap, cheerful, and surprisingly effective. Let's get messy. First things first, the soil. I tip the compost in, mix in the cow poo, and yes, it smells exactly as you'd imagine. Glamorous, right? Make sure to break up any big lumps and remove any rubbish, plastic, sticks, random bits that you don't want in the soil. We're after crumbly, rich soil that drains well but still feeds the plant. Next, grab your container. Doesn't need to be Instagram worthy, just something big enough for the roots to stretch. I start by filling the bottom with a nice layer of my earthy cow poo cocktail. Pat it down gently, then add a bit more. Think of it like making a lasagna. Now for the tricky part, getting the monstera out of its old pot. Sounds simple. It isn't. Ouch! It's stuck. Look at that root system. Healthier than me after a full English breakfast. I pull, wiggle, I even beg. Still stuck. Finally, with a bit of persuasion, it's out. Once it's free, gently tease apart those tightly wrapped roots. It's like giving them a yoga session after years at an office desk. Pop the plant into the new pot, nice and central. Backfill with the compost mixture, pressing down gently as you go. Don't leave big air pockets. Roots hate that. They want to feel snug and supported. Now for the beauty treatment. Snip off any dead or yellow leaves. It's basically a haircut for your plant. Add a coconut husk pole for support because monsters love to climb. And there we have it. Fresh pot, fresh start, one happy monster. Budget gardening at its finest. A bit chaotic, slightly smelly, but effective. Thanks for sticking with me through the struggle that I had to go through with this. Follow for more dirt tips, and I'll see you in the next garden time.